Hello, and welcome to AMG Time's presentation on the ACA Compliance module. This module gives users the possibility to easily define whether or not the company is ACA compliant. Under Obamacare, if a company has more than 50 full-time equivalent employees, or FTEs, they are considered an applicable large employer, or ALE. To find out how many full-time equivalents you have, add up all the part-time hours for the week and divide by 30. If you are ALE, you will have to comply with ACA reporting. This feature helps determine your ACA status as well as gives you the 1094 and 1095C forms that you will need if your company is an applicable large employer. Let's take a look at how this feature works. Under the Standards tab, click on Reports. Under the Attendance tab, select ACA Employee Status. Here, you can select what time period you want to see on the report and an end date. On the next page, you will select your employees. Unless you want to email the report or type in custom text at the bottom, you can skip the next two steps and generate the report. Here, you have actual full-time employee count. Underneath, you have the total hours for non-full-time employees. Here are your FTEs, or full-time employee equivalents. On the bottom, you have your total full-time and full-time equivalents. Lastly, underneath you have your average FTE, followed by a statement letting you know if you are an ALE or not. Now let's take a look at the second report. From the Attendance tab of the Report section, select the ACA Full-Time Lookback Report. Here you have the same options as the report before, so choose your time period, your employees, and click Generate. Here you have a list of your employees, how many hours they worked, and if they are considered full-time or part-time during this period. Next, you see if they are full or part-time on average. Lastly, you have a column letting you know if you need to change the employee status. If you are an ALE, you will have settings that you will need to configure for each employee. Under the Definitions tab, select Employees. Edit the employee you want and move to the ACA Settings tab. Here you will enter the ACA information in for the employee and click OK. Now you are ready to go run your 1094 and 1095C forms. Go back to the Report section and select the 1094 and 1095C forms. Here you will select your time period as well as which headquarter you want to run the report for and click Generate. Now you have both forms ready to finish and submit. That is all for the ACA Compliance module. Thank you for your attention.